What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm breaking down a question I recently got and had really not put much thought into. And then I realized, this is a really good question. That question, how do you choose between the Road King and the Road Glide? I'm lucky enough to be able to have both of those bikes here in my garage. And even though they're both touring bikes, the way I decide which one I'm gonna ride has become somewhat of a ritual.
Yes. So why two
Touring bikes? First off, I didn't buy two bikes to look fancy in the garage. Each one scratches a different itch for me. The Road King, it's classic, simple, wind in your face, that nostalgic Harley ride. The Road Glide, modern, comfort, storage, only the essentials. Long distance weapon. Overlap a lot, but they feel different enough that they each have their purpose. So a lot of people assume the Road Glide only comes out for road trips. That fixed fairing, the aerodynamics, the wind protection, it just eats miles effortlessly. But that's not the whole story. For day-to-day rides, like grabbing breakfast, quick errands, hitting the local bike night, or just cruising, I honestly grab the Road King more often than you'd think. Why? Because the King just feels alive. There's no fairing isolating you, it's raw, it's connected, and it reminds me why I fell in love with riding in the first place. Sometimes you don't want the most comfortable bike, you want the most fun one. So are these two bikes different? Really? They're both touring bikes, but they're night and day different. The Road Glide feels planted, it's stable and confident, especially at speed. The modern frame, the better suspension, the more tech, better wind management makes a huge difference. With the Road King, it feels lighter and more playful in town, gives you more feedback and has that classic bar-to-bar feel. They both handle great, but the Road Glide has that refined, dialed-in touring vibe, while the Road King has that pure, old-school Harley personality. Neither is better, they're just different moods. So here's the question. Is the newer frame way better? Well, there's a big difference between, say, the 07 and the 2025s. You know they've made quite a few modifications. This is a 17, and there's a little gap between these two as far as what options, what performance additions were made other than just engine size. But if you compare these to, say, something newer, if you're in the market for a newer bike, the newer touring frames and suspension setups, they're better. They're more stable in corners, they have less flex when you push it, better weight distribution, modern braking and suspension options, plus all of the technologies that go along with it. But, and this is big, better doesn't always mean more fun. Older platforms sometimes have that gritty charm you can't engineer. If you love the old school feel but want miles of comfort, the Road King scratches that itch. If you're obsessed with touring, comfort, and handling, the Glide shines. So how do I decide daily? Here's the honest method I use for choosing. So for long trips, highway day, group ride, it's gonna be the Road Glide. If I'm doing a short ride, kind of around town, just vibing, it's Road King. It's kind of like having work boots and broken in sneakers, right? Like each have their purpose and they're different. So if you're thinking about adding that second bike to your garage, maybe you're adding that first bike to your garage, you're really not sure which one to pick, I want you to think about the feel. Think about the riding you're gonna do. What do you want out of that ride? Do you want that tour, comfort, storage benefit? Do you want that raw, wind in your face, classic look, scoot around town? What's gonna put the smile on your face? All right, guys, so let me know in the comments below, if you could have one Would it be the Road Glide or the Road King? And if you're already planning your second bike, let the rest of us know. Curious to see what you're going to add to your stable. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the wind.